The next problem will be illustration 3. With different percentages of income tax. That is why I have selected this. Different percentages of income tax. This is comparative income statement. Income statement of Navy Limited. Marigo Limited as on 31/3/16 and 31/3/17. As usual, we can draw the columns for particulars and the years. The first one for particulars, the next one for the 2 years particulars, two 2015-16, 2016-17. Here, revenue from operations. Revenue from operations. That is income from operations. 4 lakhs, 5 lakhs. The next item will be expenses. Therefore, less. If it is additional income, add. This is expenses. Therefore, less operating expenses. Operating expenses. 2 lakhs, 1,80,000. $1,80,000. Then we should find the profits from income. If we minus, we will write, we can find the profit before paying the tax. Profit before tax. We should find and write. This is 4 lakhs, expenses 2 lakhs, 2 lakhs is the profit. Here, revenue, that is income 5 lakhs, expenses 1,80,000, therefore 3,20,000 is the profit. Then, after this, what we should calculate? We should calculate the income tax and less. Less income tax. For the first year, 20%. Second year, this is 50%. 50%, 20%, 50%. Then, the next item and the last, profit after tax. For this also we should find. And what are the 2 more columns we are supposed to draw? that is one for the absolute amount of increase or decrease, other one is for percentage of decrease or increase. This is absolute amount of increase or decrease. Here increase or decrease percentage. Here it is given in rupees. We should find the decrease or increase percentage. We shall do it now. Here, first year 4 lakhs, second year 5 lakhs, therefore increase 1 lakh. Here, operating expenses, first year 2 lakhs, second year 1 lakh 80,000 only, therefore decrease in operating expenses 20,000, therefore decrease 20,000. Then, profit before tax, less. First year profit 2 lakhs, second year profit 3 lakhs 20,000, therefore increase 1 lakh 20,000. Here we should find the income tax, afterwards you can calculate. And after minusing it, we can find the profit after tax. So these three values are given ready hand. We have minused and found the increase or decrease. And for how many items we must do the calculation? 1, this one, 2, this is 3, this one, 4, this one, 5, this one. We shall do the first one now. 1. What is the increase? 1 lakh. What is first year? 4 lakhs. Into 100. Simplify 1 by 4 into 100, 25%. So this is plus 25%. Then the second item, it is minus, decrease 20,000 by, what is there, 2 lakhs into 100. So 10, 100 by 10, 10%. This is a 10% decrease. Then regarding the profits, there is increase. There is increase plus 1,20,000 increase by first year 2 lakhs into 100. Twenty, 100, 5 times 5 into 12, 60%. This is the increase, profit increase, 60%. Good. Now, the next one, income tax, we should calculate for the fourth item. Only for the profit we should calculate the income tax. First year profit 2 lakhs, for that income tax 20%. So 2 lakhs, this calculation only is different. For the other, to find the increase or decrease percentage, this formula we have used. But for calculating the income tax, the amount of profit into percentage, this amount into 20% means 2,500. You can simplify this, 40,000. 40,000 is the income tax. Thousand, 40,000. Then for the second one, this one 3,20,000 into the percentage is 50,000. 50 by 100. Half of 3,20,000 is 1 lakh. 50 by 100, 1 by 2, 2 also they put now 1,60,000. 1,60,000. So, for the first year income tax 40,000. Second year income tax 1,60,000. So there is increase of how much? First year 40,000, second year 1,60,000. Therefore 1,20,000 is the increase in profit. That is increase in paying income tax. 1,20,000, 50%. 50%, 50 by 100, this amount is 2 by 3,20,000, 60,000. This is 2 into 1,60,000. This is the 3,20,000 into 50 by 100. That is 1,60,000, right? Here it is, increase is 1,20,000, right? Now, what should be the increase or decrease percentage? Now only we can use the formula. These two are calculation of income tax. But for this fourth item, what is the increase or decreased percentage? Income tax increase 1,20,000. For how much it is increased? For 40,000 into 100. If you simplify these 4 zeros, 3 into 100, 300. Generally, you will do the mistake here, you will write the number 3 here because we will have the denominator always greater in other items. Only in this item, for minus items, you must be very careful. You must be very careful in its increase. How much it is? 300 times. 300 times increase. That is 3 into 100. 300, 1,20,000 is the increase by first year 40,000. If you simplify this is 3 into 100, 300. So this is plus 300%. And the profit after tax, 2 lakhs minus 40,000, 1,60,000. 3,20,000 minus 1,60,000, 1,60,000. Profit after tax, first year also 1,60,000, second year also 1,60,000. There is no increase or decrease. There is no increase or decrease percentage. This is what is given in illustration number 3. You can find it so easily. And why I have selected, I told you already. In this problem only, the income tax percentage is different. In almost all the problems, the same percentage of income tax is given. In this differently given. Yesterday also when I was doing, I took these two because I wanted to do. But in the problem given, it is not given as 30%, only 30%. Both are 30%. So I corrected it. But I have chosen the same problem with different percentage of income tax. This you must be very careful. Don't think in all the problems the same percentage of income tax will be given. Sometimes like this, the different percentage may be given. You must be very careful, and this type of problems may be asked out of these three models, that is one comparative statement, that is in comparative income statement, then common size, third one trend analysis. There are three methods. If you are thorough in these three methods, definitely one 5 mark, one 3 mark, one 2 mark. Totally 10 marks. You are sure of scoring 10 marks from this chapter. Okay, thank you.